Imagine this. You don't have your own product, you don't have to deal with shipping hassles, yet with the right marketing at the right time, you can earn money from home. Sounds too good to be true? Today we're going to discuss an online business model that can give you the opportunity to make money from home without stocking products, managing inventory, or worrying about shipping. Today's topic is, what is print-on-demand, hoodie? How does it work, and how can you make money from it? So, if you're looking for ways to earn online, this video is for you. Let's get started. Explaining print-on-demand. What is print-on-demand, POD? Simply put, print-on-demand is a business model where you can create products based on your own designs or ideas, but the product is only made when a customer orders it. What does that mean? Suppose you design a t-shirt. You don't need to manufacture or stock the t-shirt yourself. When a customer places an order, a pod company will print, package, and deliver it on your behalf. Your main tasks are designing and marketing. The pod platform handles the rest. That's the core concept of print-on-demand, how print-on-demand works. How does print-on-demand actually work? It's pretty simple. Let's go step by step. 1. Choose a pod platform. Popular options include Printful, Printify, Teespring, and Redbubble. These platforms help turn your designs into real products. 2. Create your unique designs. You can design t-shirts, mugs, hoodies, tote bags, and more. 3. Upload your design to the pod platform. Customize colors, sizes, and product details. 4. Market your products. Promote them on social media or sell them through your own online store. 5. Receive orders. When a customer buys your product, the pod company prints and ships it. 6. Earn profits. Your earnings come from the difference between the selling price and the pod platform's production cost. For example, if a pod company charges $10 to print a t-shirt and you sell it for $20, your profit is $10 per sale. How to make money from print on demand? Now, the most important question. How do you earn money from POD? Create unique, eye-catching designs. The more creative and trendy your designs, the more they will sell. Target a specific niche. Focus on gamers, pet lovers, fitness enthusiasts, or other passionate communities. Social media marketing. Promote your products on Facebook, Instagram, and Pinterest. Use engaging visuals and videos. Use e-commerce platforms. List your products on Etsy, Shopify, or Amazon. Collect customer reviews. Good reviews increase credibility and boost sales. Scale up. Once you see success, expand with more products and designs. Tips for success. To succeed in the print-on-demand business, keep these tips in mind. Follow trends. Keep an eye on what designs are popular in the market. Ensure quality. High-quality products and designs attract more buyers. Be patient. You won't make thousands overnight, but consistent effort will lead to success. Motivational outro. So friends, today we covered a complete guide on print-on-demand. Hopefully, this video has given you a clear understanding of how to start a pod business. If you have any questions about POD or want to learn more, drop a comment below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. That's all for today. See you in the next video. Thank you.